Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Just Keep Parenting, or Just Keep Quarantining, as it may be. Wanted to do a quick little update on today's Monday, so give you 5 ideas that you can do sometime throughout the week, just to kind of change things up just a little bit, have some hands-on, which causes minds-on activities to help. So the first one is put an ice cube outside in the sun. How long until it melts, right? So helping them figure that time piece out. The other thing that you can do, if you don't have an ice cube, or if you want to do something similar to this, is to pour some water out on a sidewalk, right? And then trace it with chalk so that once it's stopped spreading, you trace it with chalk, and then you see how long it takes to dissipate, right? To go back up into the atmosphere. So you can do it one way or the other way. But it's a nice day here where we are today, so it might be a great activity to do the ice or do the water and see how long it takes to either melt it or to go back up into the atmosphere. So there's a couple of ideas. The second idea is to sort the books in your bookshelf by size, by color, or by any other way, right? They could put them into genres even. Where are the nursery rhyme books? Where are the books about Three Little Pigs? Where are the books about, where are the chapter books, right? If you've got older kids in your house. So have them separate them, have them do a little project, if you will, for you, but having them sort them by different types of maybe paperback and hardback. Or if you've got little ones in your house, maybe you have some baby books that are the cardboard ones, right? So you could have them separate them by their favorites and ones that they've never read before, or have them separate them by, I just lost the idea. Favorites, ones they haven't read before. Oh, ones that they can read, right? Ones that they can open up the book and recognize some sight words or recognize those types of things. So lots of different ways to sort your books today. The third idea is to make a bird feeder and hang it up in your yard. Lots of different types of bird feeders. My favorite is to get a pine cone, any kind of a pine cone, and take a popsicle stick, put peanut butter all around it, and then roll it in some bird seed or roll it in sunflower seeds. Anything you've got sitting around the house, like some stale bread, you could do that as well. And then before you put the peanut butter on it, tie a little string on it, hang it up outside your window, preferably where you're hanging out, so maybe outside a kitchen window, or if you're in the front room, hanging out the front room window. But make a little bird feeder, an easy one, right? Not the one that you have to go to the store for or anything, but see what you've got sitting around your house that you can make a bird feeder out of. You could even use a toilet paper roll, right? If you didn't have a pine cone, you could even use a toilet paper roll and cut a paper towel roll in half and use that. Spread the peanut butter on there, right? And then roll it. So lots of different ideas. Get your creativity on today. And then another idea is to, you can't really do this. This is what we do in the summer, is go to the peppermint place up in Alpine. But you could make some candy today, right? Any kind of candy that some fudge, some no-bake cookies, so you could follow a recipe, make some candy. If you've still got Easter candy sitting around, you could sort the Easter candy into chocolate and non-chocolate. Candy I like, candy I don't like. So do something with candy today. See if you could do that. And then the last idea that I have today is to make Play-Doh. I have a great recipe that uses cream of tartar, and I love that recipe. There's also edible Play-Doh. We've made some peanut butter Play-Doh before. That's pretty yummy. Another recipe that we have found online is where you use hair conditioner. So I just bought the cheap VO5 hair conditioner, and we've made Play-Doh out of that. So if you just look up online, you can find lots of different Play-Doh recipes and do it that way. But like I said, the favorite Play-Doh recipe is just cream of tartar. It's very soft, very easy to make. So if you look that up online, I'm sure you'll be able to find it. If not, you can reach out to me in the comments and I'll be happy to send that out to you. But there's 5 ideas today for quarantining, for parenting. And so anyway, make it a great week. Thank you for visiting Just Keep Parenting. And we'll see you around again. Thanks so much, everybody.